The 2018-2023 Ford Expedition key fob uses a CR2032 battery. When your fob's range decreases or the vehicle displays a low battery warning, it's time for a replacement. First, locate the seam on the back of the fob, usually marked with a small notch or the Ford logo. Insert a small flathead screwdriver or coin into the notch and gently twist to separate the two halves. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once open, note the orientation of the battery. Typically, the positive plus side faces up. Use a non-conductive tool to carefully remove the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive plus side is facing up, matching the original battery's orientation. Properly aligning the battery is crucial for the fob to function correctly. Snap the two halves of the key fob back together until they click securely. Test the fob by pressing the lock and unlock buttons to ensure they function as expected. If the fob doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the contacts are clean. In most cases, reprogramming isn't needed, but if issues persist, consult your Ford owner's manual for instructions or contact your Ford dealer.